So we're killing off a bottle of Pink Whitney in this and Idiot's Liquor. This is going to be called the Pink Chill. I'm naming it myself because the actual person that suggested this combo did not give it a name. So, Pink Chill sounds like a perfect drink for chilling in the summer heat. So to start off, we're going to take a glass and fill it with ice. Oh yeah, perfect. And I think I have 2 ounces worth in here. I think. It's going to be very close. I'm calling for 2 ounces of Pink Whitney, and oh, that is perfect. Perfect. Alright, right in the glass. It really doesn't even need a stir if you don't want it to be stirred. This is Major Melon Mountain Dew. And while I'm not a fan of Mountain Dew, I've never had this. So we're going to try it. Get a nice pink melony color. If you want to stir it up, you can. But that is all you need to make a Pink Chill. Well, let's see what this is like. It's good. Don't have too much. I mean, it's sugary, it's sweet, it's melony, but there's a little bit of that lemonade flavor going on in there too. Perfect, like I said, for a hot summer day. So that's it. That is the Pink Chill. Thanks for the suggestion. And if you want to see even more, hit that subscribe button down below for even more recipes.